It's a shark! Greetings everyone from the new Florida studio setup. I'm in my room at my parents' house. I'm currently looking at a closet. Everything is inside of a closet, jutting out into the room. My bed's there and still boxes. But we got it up and running. I meant to make the vlog earlier because I got some footage I want to show you from me and Pete's adventures down here. Didn't get any driving footage. The drive, it was a nightmare. 22 hours straight of me driving the whole way. And there was fun times, but there was no enthusiasm about taking out a camera at any point. But we got some good, if you saw the short, we got some good fishing beach footage. So I'm going to show you that and then hopefully enjoy. And then I got some other stuff I'm going to start doing. I'm working on another song. I'm doing some, might be getting some covers recorded soon. But no Pete, so I got to take what I learned from him, or I could always ask him remotely and whatnot, but it is what it is. So, without further ado, enjoy the footage, and thank you for watching. Because I'm not going to do an outro, it's just going to fade out from the last part of the footage. Peace. You reeled in a shark. Damn. Oh yeah, there he is. What kind of shark?
Could be a sand shark, nurser shark, lemon
Oh my
shark.
god. Nice. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's trying to...
Oh, it's a hammerhead. No, not a hammerhead.
We gotta see when he comes on in. He is going to town on your line. Oh boy, this is gonna be a project.
He ain't done yet.
It's a little baby.
We didn't even get the pliers.
Oh god, he's going off. He's going off. Are you gonna be able to bring him in?
Yeah, he's just not tired yet.
Tire him out. I think it does look like a hammerhead.
I think it's like got a little dome on it.
Yeah.
Good job. I think it is a hammerhead.
Yeah, it's a little baby.
Are you filming this?
Yeah, I got it all. We gotta get the gear.
Yeah, I know.
You want the gloves?
Yeah, I got gloves.
Yeah, get... where's the shrimp bucket?
Little hammerhead. I gotta get the pliers. Hold real quick.
That's wild. We've amassed a crowd.
We got a nasty set of fighters. He's free.
There it is.
He's
What
gotta
a-
take a picture for me.
Okay, yeah. Letting them go. Hey, buddy. What's going on? Come say hello? No, okay. That was my prayer. So let's check out these symbols. I think that's a word. D-E. I don't know what that is. It's a D and an E and then it's something. Somebody dug a hole. But this is N U plus Z. Nut. Looks like nut spelled right there.
What about these rock formations? What do you think about these?
Yeah, these are the alien. This is the alien site, and they just left a message for us. That's all. Accept the message and give them my respect.
Respect.
And look at this like tree thing. It's like a fern, or like a branch with leaves. Oh, the shadows. All right, we got it. Yeah, we can stop.
This is the sacrificial drowning pool.
Oh yeah, that's right. There's a sacrificial drowning.
There's many ways to sacrifice, but if you choose drowning,
Alright, I think we got everything.
you think. But life never ends, and the sacrifice
I know.
never ends. What do you think about this desolate landscape we'd stumbled upon? Should we live here? I was gonna go sacrifice you and drown you in the pool and film it. This is actually a snuff film. You gonna go France in the meadow? Everybody, let's get some shrimp. Everybody eat. I said, everybody eat. Everybody. Everybody eats. Yeah, everybody eats. Oh, motherfucker, catching it in the air. That's what I'm talking about. Everybody eats. Yeah. I said everybody.
This is getting,
remember to share.
This is
Remember to share now.
this is getting wild. This is getting wild. This is getting wild. They're getting so close. Maybe they want the pizza.
Yeah.
Oh God! They want the pizza.
You gonna throw the pizza? Don't get that out of here. Get out of here.
Oh shit!
They don't want the pizza. Maybe they want the pizza.
They're gonna decide. Oh yeah. Oh, the big. What the fuck is that?
That's a seagull.
It's a brown one. Everyone else is white.
He's the old man of the sea.
He's the one that gets the pizza.
Oh, he's gonna just choke on it.
Oh, they're fighting.
Look at him.
He's trying to eat the entire pizza.
Calm down,
He's trying to eat the entire pizza. And what? Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting.
Here comes the brawl. Here
They're
comes the
fighting.
brawl.
There comes the brawl. Oh no! I scrambled them. Oh, he ate the entire thing. It's gone. It's gone. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, that's a whole slice of pizza. Well, it was the end. It was like the crust. It was like the crust and like a little bit
I'm
of.
gonna go die in private.